Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, 9th class students. Today our topic is unit number 3, media and its impact. Here we are going to study page number 27. There is subject verb agreement. It is written at the bottom of the page for the teacher. Activity is there. There is written subject verb agreement. Here, what is subject verb agreement? That verb must match or agrees with its subject. If subject is singular, verb is also singular. If subject is plural, verb is also plural. For example, you have not seen he play and I plays. These are incorrect sentences. It clearly clicks in your mind that these are incorrect because verb does not match to its uh, match or agrees with its subject. What you have to do, you have to identify pronoun errors. You have to identify pronoun errors and you rewrite the following sentences correctly. You have to find out or underline what are the mistakes or what are the errors and then rewrite them correctly on the book or over the same word. Next to it is page number 28. There is active and passive voice. What are the basic rules of active and passive voice? That subject changes into object and object changes into subject. Use of by before writing an object. Use third form of the verb. Add verb be. What is verb be? In present definite tense we have to use is mr, that is the first form of verb be, as helping verb, and then third form of the verb. Now what you have to do, they are change in the voices. For example, Ali eats an apple. Ali is subject, eat is verb, and apple is object. Now subject changes into object, object changes into subject. So an apple will be in the start. It is present definite tense. So eats is there, so we have to use is eat. Uh, is eaten, third form of the verb is eaten, and then by Ali. Before writing object Ali, we have to use by. Then media helps people to share knowledge. You have to change them into passive voice. Helps is showing it is active sentence, present definite tense. So media is subject, helps and people. Suppose if like this there are long sentences, so what you have to do, you have to just point out subject verb and object, and remaining part for a time being you have to skip and first of all change them into passive voice, then use that. For example, media helps people to share knowledge. Media helps people to share knowledge. So media is subject, helps is verb, people are object. First of all, you have to change them into passive voice. To share knowledge for a time being, you have to skip. So it will be like this: कि people are helped. Now you have to use to share knowledge before writing object media. So it will be like this: people are helped to share knowledge by media. Next is their feelings and opinions are expressed through it. Through means by it. Are expressed shows us it is already in passive voice. You have to change it into active voice, because if after ism are we have fourth form of the verb means ing form of the verb, it shows it is continuous tense, but it is not here continuous. The third form of the verb is showing it is already in passive. You have to change it into active voice. So it will be in the start. It are expressed was showing present definite tense. It expresses their feelings and opinions. Media attracts the attention of very large audience. Same is the case. Attracts is showing present definite tense, active voice sentence. So attention was object. So it will be in the start. The attention of a very large audience. The full phrase is object. So the attention of very large audience is attracted by media. After entering the house, we switch on the television. So after entering the house for a time being, you have to quit the phrase. Now change. We switch on the television into passive voice. So you can easily change it. The television is switched on. Now you have to use after entering the house, then by us. Before writing by us, you have to we change into us. Before writing you have to write after entering the house. So it will be like this: the television is switched on after entering the house by us. It not only informs us but also entertains us. It will be like this: informs again showing us present definite tense, entertains again showing us present definite tense, active voice sentences. Us is changed into we. So we not only we are, informs था present definite tense, तो is आर का यूज होगा. We are not only informed but also entertained by it. Now next to it is page number 29, uses and abuses of mobile phones. Paragraph writing, creative writing is there, writing skill is there. So what you have to do, there are a few points you can write by from your side also. You can add up some material by yourself if you are having some more points or any other information, you can add it up. Here are some uses of mobile phones. Means of communication, it is a good means of communication. We can communicate each other at any time in an emergency, or by walking, or without the use of any क्या कहेंगे space or limitation of area or this and that. We can take it easily at by our own while we want to talk someone. Next is easy to use. Easy to use means ke we are having each and everything in it. Everyone, every layman can also use it. It is in the accessibility of everyone, and so on. Global village, you have read in this chapter also. Global village means कि दुनिया को बहुत लिमिटाइज कर दिया है कि we can connect everyone at any place of the world, or we can find out any material from any era of the world, any time of the world. कि हम किसी भी टाइम पीरियड के लोगों से बात कर इसकी बात मतलब जो हमारे पास इसमें इंफॉर्मेशन है हम गेन कर सकते हैं. हम किसी भी एरिया के लोगों से कहीं पे भी हों हम बात कर सकते हैं. तो मतलब बहुत लिमिटाइज कर दिया है इसने ग्लोबल विलेज. Get everything at a place कि we can easily get at everything कि now we do not need of telephone, camera, calculator और alarm clock and this and that. कि हमें हर चीज़ के लिए पहले separate place चाहिए होती थी, separate चीज़ों की devices की ज़रूरत थी. अब ऐसा नहीं है, हम हर चीज़ यहाँ से gain कर सकते हैं. Even we can get e-books also, we can get internet facility, e-books or dictionaries or then it is a good फॉर स्मॉल बिजनेस, सॉरी गुड फॉर इंडोर एक्टिविटी. कि इंडोर एक्टिविटी भी बहुत अच्छी हमारे पास इसमें आती है कि इंडोर गेम्स होती हैं. हम आपस में एक घर में बैठ के बहुत कुछ इसमें लर्न कर सकते हैं कि हमें बहुत दूर दराज किसी इंस्टीट्यूशंस में जाने की भी अब ज़रूरत नहीं होती. गुड फॉर स्मॉल बिजनेस और स्मॉल इंडस्ट्री कि वी कैन do our work by sitting at home, or small business as Draz app is there, or OLX or this and that. We can do many more businesses or at a very small place. Next it is abuses or misuse of mobile phones. It is a wastage of time. Most of the students are busy investing their time by watching or playing games on mobile phones. They do not give attention towards their studies or their parents or this and that. Next is threat of social media. You can know कि so many hackers on this and or so many rumors are also there at social media. So it is a problematic for them, or some can also steal it out. uh, People can also steal it out, or bad effects for eyes and eardrums. Its extra use as excess of everything is bad is also creating harms for eyesight or for eardrums, as loud music or all the time the use of hand free is also creating problem for headache or this. So many physical problems are to be faced. Next is accidents or terrorism. It's also, it may be the cause of accidents. Sometimes people listen the mobile phone while driving, so it creates accidents. Or sometimes terrorists also plant the some sort of bombs or threat like this, so they create for this through the mobile phone. No social bonding. Now we are having no family bonding, no social bonding to go outside, as outdoor games are finished now. Maximum time you may say कि outdoor games have been replaced by the use of mobile phones. तो no social bonding is there. कि अब एक घर से बाहर हमें पता ही नहीं होता कि हमारे फैमिली मेम्बर्स या हमारे नेबर्स या कौन क्या है. कि नाउ एवरी वन इज़ बिजी इन द यूज़ ऑफ मोबाइल फोन. इट इज़ आल्सो क्रिएटिंग अ प्रॉब्लम फॉर देम. Away from religion, कि we are quite away from religion. We do not give proper time to our prayers, to salat, to recitation of the Holy Quran, or to sit with the elders, or to gain some knowledge from them. So we are all the time remain busy. Even some people are also remain busy while during the time of prayer. When the call of azan, call of the muezzin or the azan is there, so people remain busy in the use of the mobile phone. So sometimes they remain busy all the time at night, all the night, throughout the night in the mobile phones. So they do not give attention to fajr prayer also. So it creates problem for them. So to sum up this thing, everything is having its uses and abuses. It's up to us how do we have to use it. If we use it for proper benefit, for proper purposes, so it is good for us. Otherwise it is very harmful for us. Hope so you understand all the things. If you are having any query, you are most welcome to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video. मैंने ऐसे बंद कर दिया.